So here are 4 ways that you can increase your sales that you probably haven't tried. Imagine going on a sales call where you know exactly what your client needs to hear from you, and your clients feel completely understood and know that you can solve the problem they have. This is what an organic sales process does for your business. It allows you to show up in your most magnetic and authentic state so that you attract only the right people who are meant to come into your business and pay you. It's the natural next step for the both of you. And when you're attracting the right people at the right time, selling is just natural. And this is what we like to call the aligned sales process. So here are a few things that will really help you sell your offer authentically. Hi, I'm Danielle, and I have helped my clients create over $8 million using these exact strategies that I'm sharing with you on this channel. Number 1, use your aura to identify pain points. And let me remind you what an aura is. Everyone has one. It's an electromagnetic field that sits off of our body 4 to 9 feet, depending on its state of magnetism. It operates through technology just as well as it operates in person. And by understanding that everyone has an energy type or an aura type, you know exactly where your best client sits when they're feeling at their worst. And we find out our aura types using a system called human design. And there are 5 types. So if you know where your best client, your energy type sits, then you know where they sit when they're totally out of alignment and totally feeling in pain. Now, this is something that operates consciously and subconsciously. And you're in business to help someone move out of pain, to serve them. And knowing that everyone has an aura and everyone wants to sit in alignment will help you find how your offer solves that pain for them and moves them more into alignment with you. So number 2, you want to tap into your own highest magnetic self before moving into any sales copy, calls, anything. If you're sitting in any kind of frequency of worry, doubt, fear, then your clients, anyone reading or speaking to you, will be able to feel that as well. And your clients need to be able to authentically trust you in order to spend money with you. So if you're sitting in any doubt or fear around what it is that you offer as a solution to their problem, subconsciously something will feel off to your people and they just won't buy. And this is where human design comes in really amazing, because you're able to tap into who you authentically are, separate from anyone else. No one wants to buy from a copycat. So consider yourself as an example. When you're considering saying yes to someone and buying their product or service, if you have that underlying feeling of fear or worry or doubt, what you're really picking up is someone else's level of certainty. And what you're feeling inside is really maybe someone else's level of fear around if their solution will really solve your problem. So there's a level of certainty that has to be felt when we are entering into a transaction and handing over our money to get a solution for a problem we really want solved. So bottom line, if you're being fake or if there is any uncertainty in your offer, your solution, your people can feel it and they will not trust to spend money with you. And then number 3, you must connect to your purpose. Again, human design is an amazing tool for this. When you connect to the energetic reason of what motivates you, what drives you forward, you will always be moving in alignment. And your people and the money and the sales and all the ideal clients will find you seemingly out of nowhere. But because you're connected to your purpose, the universe does this magical thing of connecting, aligning the two of you. I like to think of sales as a soul contract, an aligned agreement between 2 people. It's a sacred relationship that offers 2 people something in alignment with their next step in their life's journey. When you connect to your purpose, your aligned mission in life, it's finding this energetic permission to unapologetically move forward in the world and put a dollar sign on what it is you offer other people. Permission to deliver your sacred service to the world. So take my client Lucy, for example. She had a soul's mission and drive to just be a teacher. And again, a lot has to do with her energy type. She's a projector in human design. And those are the guides, the teachers, the mentors. So she worked as a teacher, but she really had a dream to move into coaching and infuse her graphic design and brand strategy to help other people do the same in their own brands. And she made a promise to herself: if I could create my teacher's salary salary, then I will leave my role as a teacher and I will go into business for myself, and I will always be able to trust that I can create that kind of money for myself in my own business. Well, she not only created her teacher's salary, she doubled it in 12 months just by connecting with her soul's purpose, her mission, because the mission is bigger than her. It's driving, it's the motivating for her. Now, most people think, oh, I cannot make a living based on my soul's purpose. And most people think that it would take way too long to make a sustainable living at what we call a purpose. But actually, it's a quicker way to find sustainable wealth. The universe is always looking to support you in becoming more of your true, authentic self. And living in your purpose is the perfect way to do that. The only thing that's required is getting out of your own way. And number 4, you have to trust your ability to make decisions. Decisions are our way of working with universal intelligence. It's how we use our aura and how we tell the universe what we want for more in our aura. You have to make a decision to fall in love with your offer, to choose to be confident in the solution that you bring to the world. And the truth is, most people want $1 million business, $1 million brand, but most people will not do what it takes to actually create it, which means that we have to start taking our time and considering it as our most important and valuable resource. And trusting your ability to make decisions saves you an abundant amount of time. So if you're finding this interesting and you want to know more about what I'm talking about, I want to introduce you to the high frequency formula. The high frequency formula is a formula that I have helped hundreds of women use to connect with their soul's purpose, align to their authentic way of marketing and selling their perfect divine offer so that they can find true success operating solely from their authentic self. I'm going to link it below for you to check it out, and I hope to see you there.